Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2019 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive, stock number X907XX. 19,000 miles, and this Equinox comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Cajun Red in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Equinox seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers, and family-friendly with hooks in the seats for latch system. Keep child seats completely secure. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Equinox is a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, backup camera, and rear parking sensors, all helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience, lots of cargo space in the rear. Rear seats can be folded from the back with a simple pull of the handle, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power liftgate with height adjuster, power driver's seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel and put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And that is, of course, with the backup camera displays. Dual-zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices. All-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owners inside. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.